Hey, it's Dr. Nussi back again with another video, and in this one I'm going to introduce our meal replacement shakes and our snack bars. So we have 4 different products to look at here. First up is the snack bars. So we have 2 different varieties here. These are each boxes of 7 each, 7 individual bars. We have the mint chocolate crisp here and the caramel sea salt, and basically they're exactly the same as far as nutrition goes, just 2 different flavors. And then we have our meal replacement shakes. And again, these are pretty close to identical, not exactly, but again, 2 different varieties just depending on your taste. We have the vanilla shake here, meal replacement shake, and the chocolate meal replacement shake here. So who are these for? How do you use them? Let's go through all of that. So first, let's talk about the meal replacement shakes. Now the shakes will actually replace a meal. So instead of having one of your meals, and we typically have our clients eating a couple times a day, you would just replace it with one of these shakes. This will give you all of the nutrition from that meal all in one shake, and you would just replace that meal with this shake. The bars, however, are more for like an on-the-go snack. Again, these are individually wrapped bars. We're constantly having people ask us, can I have protein bars? Can I have meal replacement bars? Well, these will work as far as a quick snack. So that's the point of these. That's why we have these. So how do you use them? So there's very particular parameters we want our clients using these products. So basically they are going to be limited to a couple times per week. So you can have you can replace a couple of meals per week. That's a couple meals per week with a shake instead. And you can have a couple, 2 of the snack bars. Again, if you're caught in a situation where you just don't have food available, your stomach's growling, something like that. So they're limited to 2 times per week each. So I think the clients have gone through our program, already understand this, but I'll make this point anyway. We're not going to become a meal replacement or a shake diet company. We do not want these products to become the staple or the foundation for how you're eating. We want you eating real food, learning skills on how to cook and prepare food and meal prep, and being able to go out to a restaurant and order correctly. All those are life skills that'll make you successful in the long term. These products fill a very particular need. You are caught out at your son or daughter's game and you don't want to run to the snack bar, so you make up one of our meal replacement shakes instead, or you're on a long car ride and you need a snack, so these are the bars are a convenient way to get a snack in, things like that. They fit a very particular need. It's a convenient situation. We want people to have these tools to make the process easier so that more people will be successful. So and when I say we, I mean I am no longer going to bury my head in the sand. We're constantly getting questions on, can I use this meal replacement shake? Can I use this protein shake? Can I use this protein bar, etc.? And people are going to use them anyway, so now we're going to give people a compliant version of these. Now, these are exceptions to an already established rule. They're going to have artificial ingredients, artificial sweeteners, things that we make allowances based on the fact that there's a science to losing weight and maintaining it long term, and there's an art to it too. So there's some flexibility, but these will be the only, and I mean only, protein meal replacement supplements that will ever be approved. So anything else that anybody asks about will not be approved, because we have 2 compliant versions, a meal replacement version and a snack version. All right, so if you have any questions, again, these are only available to our clients through our office. Call 513-271-2500. They can answer any of your questions about these products going forward, and I hope this was helpful. And until next time, stay happy and stay healthy, and I will catch everyone in the next video.